Good morning, the students. How are you today? Today is Tuesday and it's the 28th of July, 2020. So our learning target for today is I will be able to identify the names of the symbols below. So here are the symbols that you're going to encounter during your test. So this is actually the symbols that you're going to answer for your test. So for today's task, I just want you to be familiar with the symbols. So there are 7 symbols, and each of the symbols, if you choose the correct name of it, then each of these pictures are 2 points. Okay, so each items, I think they are all 2 points. Also the same as yesterday. So just a reminder. So um, when you take the test, you will have 90 minutes to answer it. So do not ever forget to write your name, your school campus. As you have noticed, like this one is, when you see this asterisk over here, the red one, it means it's required. So sometimes the teacher will forgot to put the asterisk, so make sure that you write your name on your school campus, because there are 2 campus that I'm handling. So sometimes I'll be confused which campus are you from. All right, so again, also during your test, there will be no, each sections are not required. So make sure that you don't skip a section, okay? So for today's task, I just want you to name the symbols. What is this symbol? What is this symbol? This symbol, this symbol, and this symbol, and this one. So again, there are 7 symbols. Um, So for your test, it's gonna look like this. So what is the name of the symbol 1? Is it switch on, 1 battery or cell, a bulb, motor, 2 cells or 2 batteries, a buzzer, a switch off. So you're just going to select, for example, symbol 1 is a symbol of what? Then you're going to choose which of these words. Okay, but for your assignment today, you're not going to see this because this is the actual exam. So for your task is that teacher will just say what is symbol 1, what is symbol 2 until 7. Okay, so you're just going to type it. All right, students, thank you so much. And I'm going to send you a soft copy of this so you can answer and practice. All right, thank you and goodbye.